Hey guys, it's Emma here, and today I am doing a craft video, and so I hope you guys like it. And if you guys are wondering why my lips and my tongue are both blue, it's because I had an icy that was blue and it stained my entire mouth, so that's why I am like this. So anyways, we are doing a project, and as you guys know, I was at the beach for a couple of days, actually an entire week. So I collected a bunch of stuff while I was there, like shells and more shells and sea glass, which is very hard to find, and a bunch of other stuff. So I have a bunch of picture frames that I'm going to glue these seashells to, and I also have baskets that I'm also going to glue more seashells to using hot glue. And so I hope you guys like this video. Please subscribe down below. If you guys like my room, I redecorated it. I have a carpet and a bunch of stuff up there. And during the video, I'm going to show you some DIY life hacks that you can use for your room. It's pretty cool. So yeah, I guess we can get started now. Plug this into the wall and get started with this. Just let the hot glue get warm. Then we can glue these to the picture frame and do a bunch of other stuff so it looks cool. You know, I found a bunch of shells, like a lot of shells, a whole wad full of shells. I think it looks pretty cool. So I decided to take a picture frames and glue them to picture frames and baskets that I'm gonna use for my locker next year, because I'm going to 7th grade and I have a really skinny locker. So I'll be showing you guys some locker DIYs at the end of the summer when I'm about to start school, and some backpack stuff and just school supply stuff like normal people do sometimes when school's about to start. And yeah, so I guess I'll do that. And the glue is warm. Okay, so the first shell takes a lot of delicate crafting. Why isn't this working? Okay. Goes right there. This can just keep heating up right here. So the first shell is on here and it looks really cool. So hot glue normally stays on for a long time, so that should be pretty good, long lasting. Okay. And the sea glass looks perfect on here. It's really cool. So you could do it in just the corners or or you could do it all around the picture frame. But I'm going to do a little mix-match design of a bunch of shells. So that'll look pretty cool. And if you don't know how to use a hot glue gun, you can ask an adult or have a parent or someone who knows how to use a hot glue gun help you with this project. And by the way, it's a great gift for teachers if you want to give it to your teachers when you get to school or something, or you know, use it as a gift, if a last-minute Christmas gift or a birthday gift or something. It's just really cool and fun to do all the time. You know, just play with the different amounts of glue and stuff like that, and just, you know. I would also want you to be very careful with this glue because it gets really, really hot, and yeah. And it burns very easily. That took a long time to get that shell on, but I finally did it. Really hot. I'm going to put some hot glue around it as well. To dry. I'd go for the white and the blue sea glass, so that looks pretty good. be okay, that'll do good. Hot glue is really hot. Maybe that's why they call it hot glue. Burning. So that looks about right. You know, it's going to take very gentle hands. Okay, and then when it stands up by itself, it is the perfect picture frame. So yeah, I think that looks pretty good. Anyways, after you're done with that, you can glue any kind of shells you want to your basket or whatever you want to. And backpack idea, just saying I need to do one of these. I put pins on my backpack to make it look a lot cooler because I thought one of these backpacks would look really cool with pins on it, so I like that idea. And being excited and all for everything, I made these. Okay, so you just take a cork and you paint it, or you know, put paint on it or something. Like this looks really cool. It's like a drip design or whatever. Put corks and then take hot glue them to the walls, and then you can put hanging stuff on them. It's really cool. So I decorated my room with a bunch of stuff, and I like the way it turned out. It looks pretty cool. Hope you guys like it. So bye. Hope you guys liked today's video, and I will see you guys next time.